Hi everyone, welcome to Body Making Health Management channel. What you eat shapes how you feel, physically and mentally. Food fuels your brain, affects your mood, and impacts your energy. The quality of your meals can make you feel sluggish or energized. Sugary foods give a quick boost, but nutrient-rich meals keep your mood steady. Even small changes can make a real difference. Let's get started. Chapter 1. How your tummy talks to your mind. Let's talk about the gut-brain axis, a superhighway connecting your gut and your brain. This two-way street means your gut can influence your mood just as much as your brain can affect your stomach. The main messenger? The vagus nerve, which sends signals between your brain and gut. When your gut is healthy, it sends positive signals to your brain, helping you feel calm and happy. But if your gut is upset or inflamed, it can trigger stress and low moods. Ever felt irritable or tired after eating something that didn't agree with you? That's your gut talking to your brain. Taking care of your gut health is a powerful way to support your mental health. A happy gut means a happier, clearer mind. The food you choose directly impacts your gut, and in turn, your mood. So what you eat isn't just about your body, it's about your mind too. Understanding this connection helps you make choices that support both. Your gut and brain are in constant conversation. Make sure they're speaking kindly. Next, let's see which nutrients are the real superstars for your mental health. The gut-brain axis is your secret weapon for feeling your best. Let's keep that superhighway running smoothly. Chapter 2. Key nutrients for a healthy mind. Your brain needs specific nutrients to thrive. Think of them as tools for building and protecting your mind. Omega-3 fatty acids are brain superstars, found in oily fish like salmon and plant sources like walnuts and chia seeds. They help keep brain cells healthy and fight inflammation, which is linked to depression. B vitamins like B12, B6, and folate are crucial for energy and making mood-boosting neurotransmitters like serotonin. You'll find B vitamins in eggs, leafy greens, dairy and legumes. Antioxidants, found in colorful fruits and veggies, act as your brain's bodyguards, protecting against damage from free radicals. Eating a rainbow of produce, berries, oranges, peppers, and greens, gives your brain the protection it needs. Without these nutrients, you might feel tired, foggy, or moody. Even small changes like adding salmon or spinach to your meals can make a big difference. Prioritize these foods to keep your mind sharp and your mood bright. Remember, your brain is hungry for the right fuel. Feed it well, and it will reward you with clarity and resilience. Next, let's look at foods that can bring your mood down. The right nutrients are your brain's best friends. Make them a regular part of your plate. Your mind will thank you. Chapter 3. Foods that can bring you down. Some foods can actually drag your mood and energy down. Highly processed foods like packaged snacks, sugary cereals, and fast food often cause blood sugar spikes and crashes, leaving you tired and irritable. Excess sugar is a key culprit, leading to energy slumps and even increasing the risk of depression. Trans fats, found in fried foods and some baked goods, promote inflammation and harm brain health. Alcohol might seem relaxing, but it's a depressant that can disrupt sleep and worsen anxiety or low mood. The key isn't to ban these foods, but to be mindful of how often you eat them. Moderation is essential for both your physical and mental health. Choose whole, minimally processed foods most of the time for a more stable mood. Your brain will notice the difference. Chapter 4. The mighty microbiome and your mood. Your gut is home to trillions of microbes, your microbiome, that play a huge role in your mood. These tiny organisms help digest food, produce vitamins, and even create mood-regulating chemicals like serotonin. A healthy, diverse microbiome supports better brain chemistry and emotional balance. How do you feed your gut garden? Start with fiber-rich foods, fruits, veggies, whole grains, nuts, and legumes. Fiber acts as prebiotics, feeding your good gut bacteria. Probiotics, found in fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, kimchi, and kombucha, add beneficial bacteria to your system. Eating a wide variety of plant foods helps your microbiome thrive. Aim for a rainbow of colors on your plate to support different types of good bacteria. A flourishing microbiome means better communication along the gut-brain axis. This leads to a more balanced mood and greater mental resilience. Simple changes like adding a spoonful of sauerkraut or a handful of berries can make a big difference. Your inner garden is powerful, nourish it well. The more diverse your diet, the stronger your microbiome. Support your gut, and your mind will follow. Let's finish with some easy, practical food swaps for a brighter you. Chapter 5. Easy food changes for a brighter you. You don't need a total diet overhaul to boost your mental health. Just a few simple swaps can make a big impact. Swap sugary breakfast cereals for oatmeal topped with berries and nuts for steady energy and better focus. Trade processed snacks for fruit, nuts, or veggie sticks with hummus to keep your mood and energy stable. Replace sugary drinks with water, herbal tea, or sparkling water with lemon to cut hidden sugars. Each small change supports your brain and gut health. Even one healthy swap a day is a fantastic start. Over time, these little adjustments add up to a brighter mood and clearer mind. Remember, progress is more important than perfection. The food you eat is a powerful tool for mental well-being. Share these tips with friends and family. Everyone can benefit from a happier, healthier mind. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more tips on living your best life. Thanks for joining us on this journey to better nutrition and mental health. Every small step counts, so start today. Your mind and body will thank you. Stay tuned for more ways to nourish your well-being. Take care, and remember, a brighter you starts with what's on your plate. You have the power to shape your mood one meal at a time. Let's make every bite count. See you next time.